We are aware that we are obliged to leave a livable world and a clean environment to future generations. Carbon emissions will be the biggest environmental problem of this century. Transportation and storage of hazardous substances such as petroleum, LPG, LNG is very dangerous. With this belief, our duty is to produce tankers that can carry these products in the safest way. Just like we did yesterday, we'll do it tomorrow. TRAİLER, the power of the past, the technology of today, the confidence of tomorrow.